In this video, I'll show you how to remove a background from an image on Photoshop. Firstly, unlock the image layer by clicking the lock symbol. Head over to the Properties tab and scroll down. Click Remove Background and Photoshop will automatically remove backgrounds. Sometimes Photoshop can miss sections of your photo, so head over to Select and then select and mask. Change your transparency to 100%. Make sure the Select tool is selected. The plus sign means to add back parts to the photo. The minus sign means to remove parts of the photo. In this example, we want to add back a part which Photoshop accidentally cut out. And there you go. That's how you remove a background from an image. Please leave a like if this video has helped you and subscribe for more videos like this.